Another thing about the safety inspections that you got to have, and it's very important to have this, is you want to make sure you have your maintenance logs available. A lot of people forget about maintenance logs. Now, they don't always ask for maintenance logs, but they can ask for a maintenance log. And really, a maintenance log is nothing more than, you can put down on a piece of paper, got the oil change, to save your receipts of anything you have done, like brakes or whatever, but got the oil change. What they're really looking for in maintenance logs, though, is when you go into your ELD, if you've ever had the oil changed or anything, you can put that in there. On safety inspections, like when you're pre-inspections and stuff, post-inspections, make sure you're doing pre- and post-inspections on your logs, because by having those, you can reduce the idea that they're going to want receipts where you had brakes done or tires done or whatever. And so, again, a good thing to do is get in a habit of is doing the pre- and post-inspections, because that safety log, that safety inspection can and sometimes does include the maintenance logs on your vehicle.